I would like to go over the assignment. There are two parts to this. The first part is you will add the name of the group here with the name of the user group indicated in the handout. You will use a jQuery method to do that. Part 2. When the user clicks the login button, the form to log in will be visible. So I click, there's the form. I click again, the form disappears. So we have a toggle effect here. That will be accomplished using a jQuery method. We will be using the toggleClass method. There are other methods that could accomplish the same effect. However, the assignment states to use the toggleClass method. You will add the jQuery framework. You will add the script tag where the jQuery will be written to accomplish these two tasks. Everything will be placed in the head section or in an external file. Please use the browser development tools to watch what is happening. I am using the inspector. I am in Firefox. Notice I am clicking on the word login. It has an ID. It also has an event attached to it. So you will be attaching the click event to this H2 element with the ID of login. There are several other H2 elements on this page, so make sure you use the correct selector. Notice the form is grayed out. That is because CSS is being applied so that the form is not being shown. When I click that H2, notice the form tags are now visible or color-coded, and we see class equals show. That is the name of the class that you will use with the toggleClass method. The name of the class is show. When I click again, it will remove that class of show. However, as you see, the class attribute remains in the code. That is just the way jQuery works. I click, we see class equals show, we see the form. I click again, the word show disappears, and the form disappears. This is the HTML. Everything is located inside a section element, which happens to have an ID. Here is the H2, ID equals login. That is the phrase you are clicking on. That is the recipient of the click event. When we click on this element, we are doing something to the element underneath it. The element underneath it is a form. So therefore, you can reference that by its element name as a selector or by using the next method, which will indicate the next element. Here is the CSS. Here is the form selector. Notice we have display : none. That hides the form. Therefore, you don't see the form when the page loads. This is the class to show the form, .show. That is the class selector. It is being applied to that form element. This is the class that will be used with the toggleClass method. It will change the display to block. Therefore, we will see the form.